This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by provisioning the essentials so deployment moves fast. Create an Azure subscription and a resource group in your chosen region, then make sure billing and IAM roles are set. Next, create an Azure machine learning workspace, a compute instance for development, and a storage account to hold data and artifacts. Build a Docker image for your train model and push it to Azure Container Registry. This makes the runtime portable and consistent when you deploy to later endpoints. Once the image and workspace exist, register your model artifact in Azure Machine Learning, adding versioning and environment details so you can reproduce runs. Then create an inference configuration that points to your scoring script and the environment or Conda YAML. This explains how inputs map to predictions. Define a deployment template, ARM or YAML, for the target. Select Azure Container Instances for quick tests or Azure Kubernetes Service for production scale, and configure. You deploy the model to the chosen target and then validate it with representative test payloads. Confirm outputs, latency, and throughput meet SLAs. Make sure logging and telemetry are enabled via Application Insights or Log Analytics so you can track errors and performance in real time. If something goes wrong, roll back to the previous model version and inspect container logs, resource quotas, and GPU availability. These are the most common causes. Finally, automate deployment with CI/CD, so future releases are repeatable and auditable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.